Once upon a time, there was a happy couple of a cat. The cat that always lived happily together, helping each other. They wanted a beautiful life, so they planned a child that be a beautiful kitten that obeys the parents, that takes care of everyone with love. One day they got blessed from God and they have a fluffiest, soft, and cute kitten. That kitten started to grow and days passed by. But one day, the couple, as they grew old, they died. And this little kitten, in search of a new home, strayed around the forest nearby the town when it was hanging around, wandering around. It found a loving couple. They had a child. That child loved to see this kitten, and she took this kitten to her home and she named this little fluffiest kitten Tommy. Tommy started to get pampered in this new house with new parents, human parents. He was so pampered that he got everything what he needed for the life. He was given a lot of toys, but among them he liked a ball. Then, having known that Tommy loves ball, they brought him three more. But one day, while playing, Tommy lost one ball, and it remained only three balls with him. He had a very loving, his dear pillow where he always sleeps. It be the day, it be the night, whenever he gets tired, he used to sleep on it without any worries, stress. He just feels it relaxed. So this story is so beautiful because this is the story of Tommy who likes to sleep after playing, after feeding, who likes to dream a lot about good things. So everyone, work hard and always be obedient like Tommy. Always be active. Bye bye. Have a good day. The next day, Tommy woke up and he was surprised. He found a third ball underneath his pillow. He started to play with his four balls, one yellow, one green, one blue, and one gray. While playing, he once again threw that ball too far that he was lazy to go near to it to find. That day, the girl who lived in that house scolded him for being naughty and mischievous, for not having respect for what he has. Then Tommy regretted for what he did. He should not have shown it too far, and he should have that desire to bring it back. But later on, when he went there to look for that ball, the gray ball was already gone. Somebody took it away. So he regretted and said sorry to the parents, and that day he slept on the softest pillow once again.